Hello! Wicked Penny, in case you didn't know. Don't I say that all the time? I mean, of course you know it's me. It's me. Anyway, I don't do a lot of desserts, guys. I don't know why. I love them. Who doesn't? Did you know how you can decipher how you know how to spell dessert with two S's? It's D-E-S-S-E-R-T, not just one S. Because why do I remember that as a little girl? Because my teacher told me, you always want 2 helpings of dessert. So the double S. And that's how I remember. So anywho, I have my oven preheating at 350 degrees. I'm going to make the easiest cake recipe known to man. You've probably heard of it before. I absolutely despise the name of this cake. It just makes my skin crawl. So I'm going to tell you what it is, but then I'm going to tell you what I call it instead, because it just, who wants to hear the word dump in anything? So if you can go on Pinterest and online and surf the web, it's called a dump cake. Right? I don't even like to say that word. So anyway, I don't call it a dump cake. I call it mishmash. It's a mishmash cake. And everyone's like, it's not a mishmash cake. I go, yeah, it is. It's a mish and a mash of a little of this, a little of that. And you're just pouring it in. So this is my mishmash cake. Makes not a lot of sense, but it beats better. It beats calling it a dump cake. So anyway, I'm going to bend you down and I'm going to talk while I'm doing it. It's not hard. It's super easy, guys. I mean, you're gonna just, you can't believe it. Okay. So anyway, the possibilities are endless. Use your imagination. Flavors, fruits, whatever. This, I'm going to make a pineapple upside down mishmash cake, and it doesn't get any easier than this. I am making, here's the pineapple. I used crushed. You can use diced tidbits, anything you want. I like the crushed, and it's got to be well drained so everything's not so wet. You're not going to believe this, guys. I mean, if I didn't make this before, I'd be like, what are you, nuts? I don't get it. How does it work? Well, the miracle happens in the oven. And I'm just going to spread this out like so in my beautiful 9x13 pan that it's worn and seen its day, but I absolutely love it. Next, pineapple upside down, some cherry pie filling. Now you can, guys, imagine you can make this without the pineapple and use a chocolate cake mix for like a black, and use some marshmallow cream in it. Make it a black forest cake. Oh my God, right? Doesn't that sound good? You could just make it a cherry dump cake and use 2 cans of pie filling if you want. I'm making this, like I said, pineapple upside down. Yummy! Okay. I mean, how easy is that, right? And then we're mishing and a mashing. Here's some brown sugar. Because you know how you have those caramelized pineapples for the pineapple upside down? Oh, we should make the real deal one of these days on that, right? This is just as good. My little mishy-mashy. Okay? Then, look what I got. These are hard to find, though, guys. So just use yellow cake mix if you can't find it. I almost died when I saw it. I'm like, a pineapple cake mix? I'll use that, right? So what you do is you just, look at this, guys. I mean, really, the dry cake mix, okay? Larger pieces, crumble them up. You know what I mean? You don't have to make it super fine, but sometimes there's big chunks. I mean, come on. Are you guys like, what in the God's name are you doing, Penny? I mean, really. Guys, look at this. No eggs, no water, no oil. Well, the oil fat part is coming up. But, I mean, look at this. I mean, like, are you like going, Penny's lost her mind. Penny's absolutely lost her mind. Well, I have not. Okay? I got it nice and even, so it's all covered. Nice. 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 Okay? Voila. Rinsing my hands. paper towel. Then here's the fat part. Like I told you, look, I got a bowl out. You don't need no this stinking bowl for a mishmash cake. Okay, smash bash, whatever you want to flipping call it. And then look it. This was 1 stick of butter. I cut it into cubes. Make sure you get some all over the cake. Okay, you can fill in like wherever you want, but make sure you get like some, like how you would cut the pieces. You know what I mean? Then you could add more. Look at this, right? Are you dying? Are you dying? I'm dying. I can't wait to eat it. Okay. I mean, really, guys. How easy was that? And again, lumpy dumpy, mishy mashy, mashy bashy, however you want to call it. That's it. Oven's beeping. Oven's ready. So I am taking this little bit of heaven, popping it in the oven, and it's going to be a big ball of heaven when it comes out. If that makes any sense. It usually doesn't. But anyway, I like my hat. I do. Go Bills. Anyway, going in. I'll come back. As soon as I come back, we'll scoopy some of our mishmash cake, and I'll put a little whipped cream on it, and we'll have a tasty taste. Don't go away. Oh, not yet. Don't go away. Hi guys, I'm still here. Kicking ass and taking names. I put a $400 ticket in here because I was kicking butt on video poker. Having the probably best session I've ever had. And playing dollar video poker. I put 200 in and pulled out $13.50. I'm down to $3.44 and I bumped my bet up to $4, which I usually play 2 on 1 4 jackpots. And I landed on this, and I also landed on the free games. So I'm going to videotape it. I'm going to hit the button so I don't attract a lot of attention. Let's see how we do, guys. Wish me luck. These usually go pretty fast, so I'm right by the table game, so hopefully I don't get busted. So I'm at Buffalo Creek, and it's not as big as Seneca Niagara by no means. It's like 1/4. But we did get the new Tarzan game, which is awesome. Look at this, is typical free games. But I don't care. I got that jackpot, which is amazing. Love it. Come on, give me a respin, would ya? Oh, look at those Ravens. Little cocksuckers. Oh, I can't get a full reel. All splits. Yeah, because it gave me the jackpot, so it's like, yeah, that's it. We're not giving her any more, right? Oh, there's one. Come on. Drop it like it's hot, Wanda. And nothing. 3 games left, guys. Like it can't be a wah-wah because I got the jackpot, so that's still great, guys. $241 total. I'll take that all day long. If I get something else, I'll come back. Thanks for watching. All right, the mishmash DUMP cake is done. So guys, I let mine cook a lot longer than some recipes call for. I don't like it so musha. I like it a little firmer. Some recipes call for 25-30 minutes. I normally let mine cook for like a good 40-45 minutes. And I check it, the texture, how I like it. I know it is ooey and gooey. Don't get me wrong. It's not like cake. It's almost like a cobbler. Okay. So I'll let you look at the finished product. Okay. You see? Yummy. Cherries poking through and stuff. I'm excited about using this pineapple cake. So, I'm going to scoop some and put it in my dish. Oh, guys, I bet you it's so good. With the pineapple and the cherry and the brown sugar. Oh, it's scalding hot. I probably should have not turned the camera on for a few minutes, okay? Also, yippee skippy. Here it is. I'm going to put a little whipped cream on mine. Guys, so if you serve it hot, like this is scalding hot, it's, you know, look. Oh my God. I'm probably going to have to call it dump cake in the thumbnail because no one's going to know what it is. Oh, but look. Look at the cherries. And you can't, and the pineapple's like soaked in with the cake. My whipped cream's melting. Oh, guys. All right, I'm going to get some of that crumble cake. And this cherry. Look. Look at that. Guys. It tastes so good. I don't want to burn my mouth. I'm going to burn them. Oh my God. I need more. I want more whipped cream on my mouth bite. On the bite that I'm putting in my mouth. Guys, I'm not going to lie. I would let it sit to get it to like warm. This is super, super hot. The cherries are nice and tart. I love pie filling cherries. They're not too sweet. Guys, it's so good. The pineapple. Yum, yum, yum. Guys, let it cool. And then when you scoop it out, it's nice and firm. Great, great cake. It's actually like a cobbler or whatever, you know. Like the top, you saw the top. It's like a crummy. So good, though, and buttery from that butter. But anyway, guys, get your cake mix. Pick your fillings. Peach. Oh, my God, you could get a cinnamon cake. Oh, my God, it would be so good. Just use your imagination. Make something yummy. Bring it out for football Sunday. And, you know, I got to say it. I'll say it over and over again to the end of the season. Go Bills. Peace.